Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-13, The Unknown Piece. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode is quite a dilemma. We will be building part 2-13. The only thing is, I can find it in the blueprints to build it, but I can't find it in any part of the build or nothing. Not even in the list of parts, it's missing. So I'm going to include this because I'm sure it's there for some reason. But it's a simple piece, so it may show up somewhere down the track. But yeah, so we're going to build the unknown piece. So let's open up the intersection template. Okay, so let's do top. We've got two circles. Quite an easy piece too, so the outside diameter will be 29. Inside diameter will be 12. That's terrible, that is. There we go. Can't change it. Nah, that's fine. Makes no difference. Okay, there's going to be a thickness of 11. The feature 11, mid-plane, and bong. Now we want to go to right front. Doesn't really matter. Does not matter. We want to put a circle in right in the center, in the origin. And that's going to be 5. And that's halfway through, so it's 5.5, which is 11, so that's cool. Now it goes all the way through both directions. So it goes through cut, through all, direction 2, through all, and done. Now let's just go into where we have here, fillet 0.5. Want that edge and that edge, and done. Yep, that's good. There's now put this in some bright color piece. You know what? Let's put that one. And that is that piece done. So that's part 2-13, the unknown piece of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the episode or learnt something, click the like button, subscribe, leave comments. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.